Hi everyone, new location, new video. We are currently in Zavala in Hvar, still in Croatia. I'll show you a little bit of our little village that we're staying in. There's our local restaurant, and there is, not great lighting, the beautiful Adriatic Sea and the beach. So I wanted to do a little bit of a summary of the responses that you gave me in regards to the Pastoral Care program. This really was the first step for me in terms of starting the thinking around the purpose behind the Pastoral Care program. And I wanted to thank you all for giving me your feedback and spending the time, the very little time that you have, actually responding to my questions. You surprisingly all wrote very similar things, which I think is a really great indication that you're all on the same page and that we really need this program and you guys can see the value in it. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of a summary about what everybody said. So the first question I asked you was, why does Golden Grove need a pastoral care program? So the summary of your responses are that basically the biggest issue is time to spend with our students to create a positive school and a positive subculture in our school, to build really strong relationships between home group teachers and students within the school, and allowing students to work on a number of areas. And the ones that you particularly mentioned were around wellbeing, developing our school values and stronger links to our school values, also having fun events and things for students to be involved in, and an opportunity to further develop our student leadership program and our student council program. As well as that, it was also about giving kids time to connect with the school, their peers and teachers, giving them time to, or giving us time to provide guidance to students, to equip them with the skills and learning that they'll need to navigate their future and prepare for the world of work, to monitor their progress as well and have them set goals and be able to see how they're going in terms of those goals, and also giving them some time to work on their study skills and time management. These themes come up over and over again in the questions that I asked you. So the second question I asked was, what do you hope it will provide for our students? Again, relationships was a big theme here. More opportunity for themselves to engage in purposeful discussions about the school and see where they can have a part in our school community and changing our school climate. Having time to do fun and engaging activities that will create a positive school climate. You said time to work on programs that develop their interpersonal skills and their empathy and resilience, and an opportunity to actually reflect on themselves. You mentioned 21st century skills and their need to be successful in the future, that they need to be successful in the future, providing a sense of belonging, being able to have more time to celebrate their successes and their individual progress, and being able to, again, connect with our school values. So you can see that there's some commonality in everything that you're saying. In terms of skills and dispositions that you hope it will provide our students, there was the mention of soft skills, things like communication skills, conflict resolution, problem-solving skills, critical thinking. There was lots on organisation and study skills and time management. There was a lot about well-being, resilience, emotional regulation, empathy, growth mindset, managing stress came up a few times in your responses, and mindfulness, some leadership skills, and also the need to develop global citizenship and local citizenship, making our students accountable, responsible as citizens towards the environment, towards looking outside our own backyard. There was some things about being socially aware and social justice. The final question that I asked you was quite specific to your year level, but I asked you, what do you see as some of the issues for your students in your year level, and that could be addressed through the program. And the common themes around all of that were connectedness to school and feeling a part of the school community, making sure they are prepared for their life outside of school, time management and stress management, resilience, managing worries, and the other one that came up across some of the year level or a couple of the year levels was around sleep and general health. So I was really pleased to see that there are really some strong themes coming out in your responses, and it's really given me a clearer picture about why we need this program, and possibly what the program will be centered around. So the next step in the process for me is to kind of sit down and develop these responses into a more kind of concrete write-up around the purpose, and then with the working party that will form in term 4, looking at that document and going over that, getting some more feedback from staff and possibly students, and then starting to actually map out and shape what the program will look like once we've really finalised or solidified the purpose and in developing the program. I hope you guys have just the most amazing holiday. You all have earned it. You've all worked so hard, and I just wish you the safe and relaxing break that you definitely deserve. Can't wait to see you all in term 4, all recharged and re-energized for an exciting last term. It will go very quickly. I'll talk to you all soon. Take care.